So what caught my eye here is, first off, once you drive up the ramp and nestle your wheel into this little groove here, you can detach. So now I've got the car up, maybe 4 inches, and now I can slide my floor jack up under the body now to jack the car up. They feel great. This honeycomb type design there gives it that rigidity and strength. Overall length here is about 28 inches, full length. They're about 7.8 inches wide and 3.5 inches total height here. The load capacity is about 5,000 pounds, hence all those honeycombs in there. And you can see it uses little squares here to nestle back down in there like that. Snaps in. You get 2 ramps. And it's perfect, for low-profile cars.